Hi there everybody, just another trip into the world of experimenting with rock paper from the rock paper store at rockpaper.store. I started off with using the Cricut expression to cut out different shapes. I show the thicknesses later. Here are the thicker papers, and I really think these would be, I know these would be great for templates. This is the thickest one that I used. This one is double-sided, and it's pretty thin, but it feels thick. Nice, smooth texture. These are my little sample pieces. I've not used that mat in so long. Stored. Okay, and here's me attempting to use a thinner piece, but I got overzealous with cutting, and on the second part of the tree, this part, I actually had my settings on medium and medium, but this last one I had on light and fast. I think it should be maybe hard pressure and medium speed maybe might work better. I tried to scratch everything, but as you can see, that only worked a little bit, so I moved on. I also overshot on my last cut, so I didn't use it. Okay, now on to the second part of the experiment, resin with rock paper, rockpaper.store, because I've never used rock paper and I rarely use my Cricut and I rarely use resin. Please use resin responsibly. I'm still learning, but here you see the different steps I take to just see how it sets, to see how if it soaks up anything, which it shouldn't. It's waterproof and archival. And after I use the torch UV lamp, I also put them in the nail curer. This is thinner than the first two papers. You can actually see through this paper a little bit. It's kind of transparent, almost opaque. Had to break it, but it's cool because I broke it and then I saw how the yellow part was encased, and that gave me an idea for the last piece. This would be cool, like if you want to make little pendants and things, which I might do. This is me putting resin down first, because that's another technique to keep you from getting so many bubbles and your paper from not having bubbles underneath it. But you'll see it gets a bubble underneath it. I didn't catch all of them, but it's at a good place to where maybe I could put a hole there actually and use it to make it into a pendant or a keychain. And you'll see how I just kind of got my other tools spread this out. I really wasn't prepared, I just kind of did this on a whim. And you'll see the final looks here. Again, you'll see that hole where you might be able to easily make it into something. If you're less messy than I was, then it wouldn't need any as much finishing, but you could definitely use this technique if you want to make embellishments for other paper crafts or something, for a pendant or earrings or home decor. So many uses. I just wanted to see real quick what this would do. Thank you for hanging out and watch me make a mess. I like that best. If you like that, let me know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, follow, subscribe, share, whatever you feel like. Have fun. Sharps, give some more.